Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Bulgarian Banitsa. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is crack in 3 eggs into a bowl. To this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, some freshly cracked pepper, 1 cup of Greek style yogurt, and about a 1/4 cup of full cream milk. Now we'll just give this a quick mix and get that well combined. Next I'm just going to add in 2 cups of crumbled Bulgarian feta. And we just want to mix that together. Alright, so our actual filling is ready now. So what we're going to do is preheat our oven to 170 degrees Celsius now. So what I've got in front of me here is 20 sheets of filo pastry. Now these are the ones that you buy from the fridge. Don't get the frozen ones because they're very hard to work with. Now the packs usually have between 15 to 20 sheets, just depends. You can still do this recipe the same way, just keep that in mind though. And I'm just going to put this into a rectangular tray. It's around 33 centimeters by 20 centimeters. You can use any shape, anything you like. And I've just got 1 cup of butter here that I've melted, which is of course a star ingredient when it comes to filo pastry. So let's start putting this together. So the first thing we're going to do is brush our pan with butter. Now be very liberal with the bottom layer because that's the most important. Well, of course the top layer as well, but we don't want it to stick. We want it to be nice and crispy, so get all the sides, get everything. Just like that. So what we're going to do is start with the sheets now. Now if you've made baklava before, you'll know that you just put it flat in like that, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to place it in. Doesn't matter if it breaks, but you almost want to crinkle it like that, so there's air pockets in there. I'll add another one here. So that's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. What we're going to do now is just add some butter in. Now you don't have to brush it 100%, just get it in there very liberally. So what we need to do now is add our mixture in. So I'm just using a ladle to make it easier. Now you need to determine based on how many layers you're doing it, how you're going to divide the mixture. So I've done 5 sheets out of 20 sheets, so we've got 15 left. So we'll do 3 sheets per layer, so 5 layers. So basically we'll need to divide this by 5. That doesn't have to be exact, just very roughly. So we'll just add this in. Now it should be very spread out too, it shouldn't be completely drenched. Just like that, so that's 1 layer. So what we'll do is start by adding 3 sheets. Alright, so that's 3. Once again, get it with the butter. Alright, and we'll add our mixture in again. So that's all there is to it. Now we'll just repeat it again. So we're going to do this until it finishes. Alright, and there we have it, the final layer. Now you want to be the most liberal with this layer as well, because we want it to be nice and golden brown. And there we have it. So let's go straight into the oven now. So 170 degrees Celsius, we're looking for around 30 to 35 minutes. Obviously nice and golden brown. Alright, so I've just pulled it out at the 35-minute mark and just look at that. And listen to that beautiful crunch. So let that just rest there for about 5 minutes before we slice into it. Alright, so let's go ahead and slice into it. So we're pretty much just going to treat it like a lasagna. So just using a spatula, just cut through the center first. And we'll just cut out rectangles like that. Alright, and there we have it. Just look at how beautiful they look. And you can see the beautiful layers inside. Now you can change the shape of this to whatever you like as well. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.